Welcome to the channel. See the problem. This problem regarding planes. Find the equation of the plane passing through 1, 1, 1 and parallel to the plane x plus 2y plus 3z minus 7 equals to 0. Equation of the plane. Is x plus 2y plus 3z minus 7 equals to 0. This is number 1. Okay. Now, find the equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 1, okay, and parallel to the plane. This is the given plane. Parallel to the plane parallel to 1 is x plus 2y plus 3z plus k equals to 0. This is number 2. Okay, parallel means we can add plus k, that's all. This plane 2 is passing through 1, 1, 1. Simply substitute the values in this equation, that's all. Therefore, 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus k equals to 0. This implies 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k equals to 0. This implies k equals to minus 6. 3 plus 3. Therefore, required plane equation is x plus 2y plus 3z plus k means minus 6 equals to 0. This is the required answer. Okay. In this you can find a plane parallel to this plane. Okay. This is the answer. Find the equation of the plane passing through 2, 3, 4 and perpendicular to x-axis. Suppose this is a plane x, y, z. Plane passing through 2, 3, 4. X equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z equal to 4. Some here. For example, 2, 3, 4. The plane passing through to this point, perpendicular to x-axis, this perpendicular to x-axis in this way. So that plane we want now. Now here the plane is perpendicular to x-axis. Yes or not? The given point passing through the plane is 2, 3, 4. This plane is perpendicular to x-axis. The plane is perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular means what? It's nothing but normal. Okay. So x-axis is normal to the plane. X-axis is normal to the plane. It's nothing but perpendicular. Therefore, equation of the required plane is x equals to k. Equation of the required plane is x equal to k. This equation 1 is passing through which point? 2, 3, 4. What is x value? 2. Therefore 2 equals to k, that implies k equals to 2. Equation of the required plane is x equals to 2. That's all. This is the required answer. Very simple. Just you are considering this one important, x is equal to k. That is normal to the plane. X axis is normal to the plane. That is why you are taking x equal to k. In this way, you can do the problem. Practice these problems. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.